This isn't a replacement for the craftsman, it's their ultimate amplifier. Look at the teak wood chair. Centuries of Indonesian mastery refined by digital vision. The artisan is no longer bound by gravity or waste. With a flick of the wrist, they preserve tradition while achieving impossible precision. This technology bridges past and future, merging wisdom and innovation. Furniture is born faster, built better, and perfected by code. The legacy of wood, now immortalized in light.